Hi, my name is Manny, and welcome to another video. Today, we are going to work on something very easy, very fast, very quick project, and very profitable. Today, we are going to laser engrave or laser cut and engrave on these phone stands. These phone stands are made out of basswood. This is a 3 millimeter basswood project, and you can purchase these out of Amazon for, let me check the pricing, $16 for 10 pieces. So if you do the math, that's $1.60 for per each per one. And you can potentially sell these for $8 a piece. Um, why? Because you can customize this. You can cut, engrave on it, put pretty pictures, somebody's picture, or anything you want. Um, so it's not a bad project. It's actually very easy. And when you think about it, getting into industries, the mobile phone industry is a multi-million-dollar industry. And I'm not talking about the phone itself. I'm talking about the accessories, the headphones, the cases, the stands, everything that goes with a cell phone. So pretty much um, put the phone on this piece in the front, and this is what it looks like. Most people like to see different designs on them when their phone is not on there. So I think it's a really nice and really profitable project, but you could do different things. So what I did was I put a stain on some of these, so it changes the color, and you can see the pattern, the line patterns of the wood. And now this is pine, so um, it's not fragile, but it's not very hard. That's why the price is just $8. But when you think about it, you only spend $1.60. So sell a bunch of these in one day, you could probably make $100 a day. So this stain right here is called gunstock. It's kind of reddish orange type of color. Um, very nice. You can see the lines. Looks really nice. But some people don't like this color, so I put another stain on a different stand. Um, this one is golden oak. Really nice color, a little darker, and also is bringing out the wood patterns in the wood. If you can see the back, you see the patterns right there. So it's really nice, really um, popular. This is a very popular accessory for your phone, but it's better when you can personalize it or customize it. So today I'm going to put my own name in one of these and maybe another design on the other one. And maybe we'll engrave just a plain um, phone stand so you can see the different results. Got two different colors and just a plain one. So it's better to give the customer different options, right? So they can choose. So let's get to work. Okay, so I'm using the Creality Falcon 2, and so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to laser engrave the plain, just a plain one, and you could see what it looks like just in raw wood. And I think I got some little stain marks there. That's okay. Okay, so let me make the camera smaller. And I'm using Liburn right now, so obviously my name is Manny. So just to give you an example of what you can do, this is a Old English, one of the many types of Old English letters. There are many out there, and I just used the text option for Liburn to put my name on there. So um, what you can do is highlight everything. You can group together if you just want to cut. But if you want to cut and laser engrave, you can just highlight the character. You go to line, or actually you go to layers, and layers is 00 and black color. and you are going to click online. And to cut, we need to make sure that we are on constant power mode. I'm going to, I don't know if I should do 100%. Yeah, I'll do 100%. And I'm going to go with a speed of 500. You want to go slow and powerful when you cut. Now, for the engraving piece, I'm going to highlight my name. I'm going to go down here and click on this. Let me show you here. If you go to the bottom left, click on that 01 in the blue. That adds another layer. As you could see, the letters turn blue, so that's a different layer to cut. But this one, I'm going to laser engrave on this one. I don't want to cut this, so what I'm going to do is click on the mode and select fill. With the speed, I go with 8100. Yep. And for power, since this is pine, I don't want to burn too much, so I'm gonna put 85%, not on constant power mode. So now what we're gonna do, we are going to frame to make sure we are center, or it doesn't have to be center if you don't want to, but just to make sure that it comes out nice, we're going to go ahead and frame it in the center. This is probably very big, so now we're going to highlight everything and try to make it smaller, because this is a small piece of wood. So let's frame. So we're going to, you can adjust it with the adjust mode and light burn, but sometimes I like to just use my hand. I think I'm gonna make it a little smaller. Let's go. And that actually looks really good. Yeah. Okay, I think we are ready to engrave. And let's hope I'm right. Let's see what happens here. Okay, let's see what happens. All right, looks like it cut it really nice. And the engraving came out nice. It's actually carved. So I think that's the settings I got are correct. See the back. So that's good. Let's see what happens when we put it together. Oh, look, I got a nice little letter too. There it is. And just to demonstrate what it does, let's put the little phone on there. There you go. Okay, so for the next one, we are going to do something completely different. I'm gonna go ahead and do a Celtic cross, Celtic Irish cross. I think that's good. So let's do some engraving. Let's go. All right, definitely a lot better. Oh, that actually came out really nice. Put the other piece in the back or in the front. There you have it. So this is the one with gunstock stain, and we're going to go ahead and make the other one. Okay, next we are going to laser engrave. Probably do some cutting on the one stained with golden oak. Now let me make the camera a little smaller for you. And I think of this one, we're going to put, let me see, deer head. And I also want to do, I'll put my name on there again. So I'm going to go ahead and put a text right here with my name on it. And let's look for about some stencil. Yeah. We have stencil. Oh, we do. Just as an example, should we make it bigger? Yeah, why not? Yeah, I think that's good. So again, image is gonna be pretty straightforward. We're gonna do an 85 because it's basswood. It's very sensitive. No, I'm sorry, 8500. That's right. And 85 power. How about we go 9100? Yeah, 85 power. We'll go with image mode, Stucky. Okay, that's good. And then the second line, we are going to cut. So we're going to line power at 100, speed at 500, constant power mode. That looks good. Let's do some framing. I think they may be a little too big. Yep. Okay, I think that's good. So let's do some engraving. Okay, let's see what we got. Very nice. Not bad. I like this one. Now, as you can see, if I was engraving without the stain, this design will be black, or burnt or black, just marked. Now, with the stain, it created that double brownish effect on it, and it looks a little bit shiny. Not sure if you can see that. That's pretty good. I really like this one. I like the stencil on there. It came out pretty nice. Overall, I think this came out really nice. My favorite one is Definitely this one, probably because I like the older, the darker colors, and I love deer. But these right here are just examples of what you can do for your customers. Very customizable, and very profitable little items. Remember, the cost is $1.60. You can potentially sell it for $8 if you get bulk orders. Of course, I will reduce the price to maybe $7. You still make a profit. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please consider doing so. I'm going to continue to make these videos once a week. Try to bring you more ideas of what you can add to your business. And I hope you really enjoy this. And until then, keep those lasers going. I hope you see you in the next one.